Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel this week. Today we're going to be shave testing another Monkeytail razor from China. In the same sort of bracket as the gold dollar. Unfortunately, they don't come shave ready, so you have to use your skills to correct them, hone them. So this is the end result. I've sold a few of these and the customers are quite happy with them. It comes in its own little travel pouch, and there we have it, the French point, and it looks really clean. I like this drop down spine and a French point. You have to be careful with it though, obviously. Both sides are completely blank on the blade and the tang, so you can have your name or inscription, anything on that side or both sides. Sometimes it's nice to have an inscription just here, just a short one there, as long as you don't come down towards the edge of the blade, because the blade's quite delicate there. Black ebony handle, 2 pins, very nice and chunky, sturdy, feels quite nice in the hand. Oh, this one's very smooth, I have to say. You just have to watch going up to your ears. Like here, I'm just sort of feeling my way. Move the tash out of the way. Albeit it looks quite an aggressive blade with that point, it's actually quite forgiving. Move this tash out of the way. Oh, up to now anyway. You have to excuse that noise in the background. It's just my wife on the piano. She's doing remarkably well. She only bought that piano about a year ago, and she plays it better than the guitar. So hats off to her, I say. Good thing about these spike points is you can get right into the corners with great accuracy. I can get right underneath the tash. There we go. Nice little shave test. Always dry your blade off. Never leave your blade wet or in your bathroom where it's really humid. So there we have it. Oh, very neat. Oh, bit of soap. Very neat little Monkeytail, as I call them, with his extra tail sticking out. Brand new, never been used apart from this shave test. Back in its travel sleeve. Right, thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch up with you maybe later on in the week. Thanks for watching, bye for now.